Paul's Kitchen. It's Chef Paul, with me is Chef Alex.
Hello.
So today we're going to make some hamburgers, and I'm going to show you another way to make them. This is going to be really good. It's going to taste good. It's going to be awesome. It's true. It's true. Anybody else says otherwise, it's just fake news. So I got two things of hamburger. Obviously, one is a little fresher than the other. This is from a superstore. This is from a natural butcher. Go figure, right?
You can tell a difference.
Yep. So I got one onion that I put through the food processor. Why? Because we like onion here. It's good for you. Now we're going to put a few little things in here just to make it a little bit more tasty. I've got some dark soy sauce. This stuff has less sodium in it. And then I'm going to put some liquid smoke. Why? Because liquid smoke is good. You just don't want to downpour because it's going to make it crazy. We're going to put some smoked paprika, about 1 tablespoon. Then I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons worth of my favorite barbecue sauce. You use what you like. Don't need to drown it. I'm going to put some pepper in. Now this is some Szechuan pepper, really good stuff. Yeah, I'm not using the pepper grinder or the pre-made store stuff. I got this off of Amazon. It's actually pretty good quality. It's not as quick as what you get out of a more expensive grinder, but you know, whatever.
It is pretty cool how it works, though.
Yeah, it's great. Now, here's the trick. If you don't like the bite of the black pepper or the spiciness of a fresh black pepper, get white.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all you need. This is an amazing grinder. It was one of the cheaper ones. I think it was like $21. And you can see down here that gives you the options of how coarse you want it. I could put it down to here and make it like fine ground pepper, which, you know, that's pretty cool. And then I'm gonna put in some black garlic, which if you haven't seen it on our other videos, go look. They're really good. Like it's healthy and it's good. And you can pay up to $30 for a small thing of it. Or you just make your own. I made my own. I like it. It's good. Alright, so now to protect my hands, always good to have protection. Alex, as a single young man, you know the importance of protection, right?
Yeah.
You don't know what some of these girls carry.
You
Or the meat.
gotta keep yourself clean.
Gotta keep yourself clean. And when I say this, the seriousness is I need to massage the meat to mix everything in, and it's gonna be a little greasy. I'm not gonna lie. It's summertime, we like our hamburgers, but you can spend a long time cleaning your hands afterwards, and yeah, that's just no fun. So gloves. Amy got these, they're cheap, and you get what you pay for. I'm gonna have to crack that joke because that's the only thing I can think of when I'm using these, so sorry if I offended anybody. But we're gonna spend some time massaging these and then making our meatballs. Because we got all those ingredients in here, and I want to make sure that they're mixed together so that everybody's getting a fair burger that has the spice and everything already mixed in it. And I'm not going to film the actual making of the burger, guys. I'm just not. I don't think that's necessary. We know how to cook burgers. And if you don't, there's lots of videos where you can watch doing it, but this is not going to be one of them today. I just want to show you how to make your burgers, because you can go to the store and you can buy them, but you know, I'm kind of a little low on money right now, so I just can't go to the store to buy them right now.
It's better making your own burgers anyway.
Yeah, and that's just it. You can make your own and they'll just taste just fine.
And it's healthier.
Yeah, it is.
Plus, when you make your own burgers, you know what's in it.
Yeah, and this is going to have some rich flavors to it, which is really good. So I mean, you can go to the store and you can buy like those really small, skinny ones.
Yeah.
And they suck. I'm not gonna lie, they really suck.
They're not gonna be as flavorful as these burgers.
These are going to be way more flavorful. They're going to taste better. They're going to be, they're just going to be better. And if you're somebody that just wants to make meatballs, you know what? You can use the same principle and make meatballs. That's not hard to do. You can just make your meatballs and just do this. Now I go to make my hamburger, and sometimes you want to put your you want to make a slither of onion on them like you would at McDonald's. Well, you don't really need to, because it's going to be already going to be included in this.
You can, but you don't need to.
Now what I'm going to do here, when I'm done making the burgers, and I'm just going to, I've already beat them around so that everything's all mixed. I'm just going to make patties, so you're just going to beat around your hands for a little bit. And then you're going to form patty and put on the plate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in the freezer. Yeah, probably for about an hour, maybe two. If I want to be, say, 3 hours. And that'll just make it a little solid. Then I'm going to put them in freezer bags. And that's really basically it. That doesn't look like it's that hard now, does it?
No.
Now you're the control person of your kitchen. You determine. You're in charge of how big you want your burgers. If you want smaller patties, then go ahead, make a smaller patty. You control exactly.
Or if you want bigger patties, then by all means make them
the way you want them.
Yeah.
Like that's basically it. So I got 4 patties there, and that was 2 packages of meat. I got a little bit more, but I'm not going to get a whole lot more. So it is what it is. I'll get a few burgers out of this, but you know what? That's all right. So guys, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. We have and actually there's one other thing I want to touch on. We do have a new Facebook page that I just put in today. I had to make a new Facebook account. I lost my phone number. I couldn't get into my original Facebook when I got my new phone. Couldn't get that back, and I can't get control of my old page, so I'm just starting over. So if you want, you can email me, drpoulwoodworth@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to get you into our new Facebook page. We appreciate everybody's help here. We're just moving back from a difficult time on that, which is good, but we have that new there. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. This is what making cooking great again is all about. Have a great day, guys.